bridging the gap where design meets reality. You got your fancy designers sketching out dreams on computers. Then you got the folks on the factory floor turning those dreams into something real. Me? I'm the guy stuck in the middle making sure those two worlds don't collide. It's about taking a design, something that looks good on paper, and figuring out how to actually build it. And trust me, it's not always pretty. We're talking aerospace, medical, automotive, industries where screwing up isn't an option. A part that's a hair off in an airplane, bad news. A medical implant that doesn't fit right, even worse. And don't even get me started on the tolerances in a high-performance car. That's where my team comes in. We're the bridge between the dreamers and the doers. We're the ones who speak both languages, engineering and manufacturing. And we're the ones who make sure that what gets designed can actually be built, and built right. Precision and innovation, the cornerstones of advanced manufacturing. Let me tell you something, folks. Precision ain't just about being exact. It's about being consistently exact every single time. And in these industries, we're not talking about being off by a smidgen. We're talking about tolerances thinner than a human hair. One tiny mistake can mean the difference between a successful launch and a catastrophic failure. But it's not just about precision. It's also about innovation, finding new ways to do things, pushing the limits of what's possible, new materials, new techniques, new technologies. We're constantly learning and adapting. Why? Because the world ain't standing still. We've got to be faster, leaner, more efficient, and we've got to be able to adapt to whatever crazy design those engineers come up with next. My journey from concept to creation. Look, I didn't grow up dreaming of being the bridge between anything. My path started on the factory floor, getting my hands dirty, learning how things were made. Then I got curious about the why behind the how, started taking night classes, reading every technical manual I could get my hands on. And you know what I learned? The real magic happens when you bring people together. Engineers, designers, machinists, welders. Everyone has a piece of the puzzle. My job is to make sure all those pieces fit. It's challenging, no doubt. Deadlines are tight, budgets are tighter, and everyone's got an opinion. But when you see that final product, a plane taking flight, a life-saving device being implanted, a car breaking speed records, man, there's no feeling like it. Knowing you were a part of something bigger than yourself. That's what makes all the sweat and the stress worth it. The series a glimpse into the world of product realization. So I'm teaming up with some folks to give you a behind-the-scenes look at this crazy world of product manufacturing. We're going to walk you through the entire process from that initial spark of an idea all the way to a finished product rolling off the line. We're talking prototypes, testing, failures, breakthroughs, the whole 9 yards. We'll introduce you to the men and women who make it all happen, the unsung heroes of manufacturing, and we'll show you just what it takes to turn a design into reality. So if you're an engineer, a designer, or just someone who's curious about how things are made in this world, this series is for you. Get ready to get your hands dirty.